Okay, Hosanna. Okay, Hosanna. So the breakdown, real quick, melody line. Left hand side I have A flat, E and F sharp. Right hand side I have B, E and B. Hosanna. Okay, here left hand side A, E and B. So for my right hand side, I did a slow here by the way. So left hand and right hand side, sorry, C sharp, A flat and C sharp. The difference is just that I did a slow here, walk up notes from F sharp down to the G, down to the A flat. Okay, Hosanna. Melody line T T T do re. Left hand side I have E flat, B and C sharp. Right hand side F sharp, B and F sharp. Just double the melody, the octave. Okay. Okay, left hand side I have C sharp. Okay, C sharp, A, then B, A. I did it together. Right hand side I have E, A, B and E, like so. Okay, let's take it from the top. Hosanna. Okay, Hosanna, Hosanna. The chord, the breakdown, left hand side I have A, E, A. Right hand side we have B, E and B. Hosanna. Melody line La, La, Ti, Do, C sharp, E flat, E. So left hand side C sharp, A flat. Right hand side B and A. Okay. So the melody line F sharp, A flat. Left hand side I have B and F sharp. Right hand side I have B, E flat and F sharp. It's just that I did a slow. Look at the correct fingering. From C sharp here to E flat. Okay. Okay, next part. Okay. Do re mi ti do re la ti do ti la so. Okay. E F sharp, A flat. E flat, E F sharp. C sharp, E flat, D. E flat. So I did a slow kind of chromatic movement backward from D to C sharp. B. Okay. The first chord we played earlier. Left hand side A flat, E, F sharp. Right hand side B, E, B. So I went to the 2 over this on this part. Left hand side F sharp and E. Right hand side E, C sharp, B and A. Okay. I love stretching the notes. Notice on my left hand hand side, I'm holding two notes together. First note is E, B, and F sharp and A flat together. If you can't stretch, you can actually just hold it straight like so, but I prefer stretching. Brings sweet melodious sound that I love so much. Okay, melody line. Mi, fa, mi, re, A flat, A flat, F sharp. Left hand side. I actually did this stretch here also, but if you cannot stretch, same thing, you can actually bring your hand there. So the chord is E flat, B, C sharp, or if you want to stretch, F sharp. Okay. Sorry. So left hand side, C sharp, left hand side, C sharp, A, B, A flat, and A. Right hand side, I played everything together, which is E, A, and E. E, A flat, A, and E. Okay? Okay, let's take it from the other part. Hosanna, more like 251. Hosanna, Hosanna. Okay, these parts are the two F sharp and E. Right hand side, I played A and B together with my thumb finger. Then next chord, E, and the last one, B. Okay, the last chord here, I have B, F sharp, A, B, E. Okay, I love this part so much. This is a turnaround, more like a turnaround. Okay, melody line. La, la, ti, do. That's C sharp, E flat, E. Left hand side, C sharp, right hand side, A flat, and E. I did a drop 2 here. Instead of holding this, I actually dropped it here. That's what I'm doing here. Left hand side, B, right hand side, F sharp, and E flat. Okay, left hand side, I have A flat, right hand side, E, F sharp, and B. Okay. Next chord, I have E on my left, while on my right I have B and this is F sharp and A flat. Okay, I think I didn't add this. Okay, left hand side E flat, right hand side B and F sharp. Left hand side C sharp, right hand side A, B, E, A, B, E. That's the last chord. The last chord, F sharp and E. Right hand side A, B, and E. So let's take it from the top one more time, very slow. Okay, so the next part, that's where I actually ran I did a pentatonic scale there. Okay. Okay. What I did there, left hand side, A flat, E, hand side, this is B, E, F sharp, and B. Okay, left hand side, A, B, and A. So for the scale, what I was actually doing there, I started with two notes together, which is F sharp and B. A flat, F sharp, E, C sharp, B. The same thing in subsection downwards. Okay. If you notice, I rushed the ending part just to make sure I end well, like I land on my tempo. Okay, let me call it by so fast. Re, mi, re, do, la, so, mi, re, do, la, so, mi, re, do. Re, mi, re, do, la, so, mi, re, do, la, so. Okay. You can actually take it slow, gradually. Okay, let's take it again. Hosanna. Hosanna in the highest. Okay, what's the last part? I think. Okay. I think what I did here. Okay, left hand side, F sharp and E. Right hand side, E, A, B, E. Melody line, C, La, So, E flat, C sharp, B. Next chord, I have A flat, F sharp, right hand side. This is B, E flat, F sharp, and E. Okay. Repeated the same chord again. F sharp, E, right hand side. E, A, B, E. Now here I changed it. I went to the 6, which is our La. Left hand side, C sharp, C sharp. I just doubled the octave on my left hand side. While on my right hand side, I have B, E flat, F sharp, and B. Okay. I'm not sure I did this. Okay, but let's break that down. Left hand side, okay, the work notes. This is A and F sharp, B and E flat. Sorry, A flat. Okay, this is C sharp and A. Left hand side, F sharp and E. B and A flat. A and F sharp. Okay. Hosanna did here for the left hand side. C sharp. Okay, slow this down from E flat to E to back to the E flat. Right hand side. A, C sharp, B. Let's do it together. Okay. Okay. I think I did a scale. Okay. Okay, but this chord, just to end it up, wrap it up. Left hand side, E, B, and E. Right hand side, F sharp, A flat, B, and E. So the scale I did starting from that's actually pentatonic scale also. So mi re do la 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 so mi re do. Okay, so this is B, A flat, F sharp, E, C sharp, B, A flat, F sharp, E, C sharp, B, and A flat, F sharp, E, C sharp, B, A flat, F sharp, E, C sharp, B, A flat, like so. So this is the right fingering. These are the three fingers: thumb, index, middle, and ring finger. I started with my ring finger on B, then next middle finger on A flat, then index on F sharp, thumb on E, then I now came up again, like my index on C sharp and thumb on the B, like that.